Mainly about all the project management, the system, how to go about it. Mainly that.
So, are you aware of these terminologies
No,
before?
no.
Technical words, what have you
Say
such?
around 10-20% maximum.
Okay, okay. So, are you comfortable about
Yeah,
technical terms and
the terminology now. So
so, uh, would you be able to apply these concepts what you have
yes,
learned in the
yes.
job?
Yeah, actually, I think all the concepts here, most of them, except for the all the charts and all the tabular forms and all, those excluded, the normal techniques, all I have already used most of them, say around 80 to 90%, but maybe not in a system. How it has to be used, one after another, or not like that, and not so that's why it might not have been that efficient. If I had learned this training before, then I would have been more efficient, save time. Save time means save money, so that could have been done, proper planning also of material and all that stuff.
Uh, so, how did the trainer help you towards the PMP exam?
He explained everything very properly, and with without confusion actually. Sometimes teachers tend to confuse you, so he's without confusion and with good examples. So if we didn't understand, we used to ask for an example, and through an example we'll get to understand the concept, what it is.
So, are you
So
confident on the PMP exam you
yeah,
took up?
I'm confident, but I'll prepare for another 10-15 days. Then I'll after that.
So, are you confident enough to apply these project management concepts in your job
Yeah, yeah.
directly in the
Directly.
program? Yeah. So, what would you suggest to the PMP aspirants?
No, first of all, no, they should be genuine actually. Those who have done their project, they have been project managers, may it be a small scale or big scale. So they should have done their project management before, and then they should be serious about it. Just like, and they should practice what they have learnt actually. That's also very important.
Instead of theoretical, they should be practical.
Yeah, they should be more of a practical and apply all these things which they have learnt. That's very important.
Yeah. Will you recommend this training to your friends?
Already I have two friends in line.
Okay.
So one is very busy, but one will take, but in Hyderabad, not here in Bangalore.
Okay. So, what points made you to recommend this training for you?
Actually, one of my friend recommended me. He told me to do this.
Great.
If you have free time, khatam karte bolke, you do it. It will help you a lot to get a more, because now I'm in a stage where I have to go to a lot of board meetings. So where my language is more of large paragraphs and all. I want to shorten it into some crisp, some terminologies, and get the point also across to all the concerned parties. So that is also very important. But those two are already in that position. They have very good terminology. But one fellow he'll surely do, and the other one, if he has time, he'll do.
Okay. Right. Thanks a lot, Satish. All the best for your PMP.
Thank you.